Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use Affirm Card with Cash App. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Cash app on your phone. Now go ahead, tap on this profile icon given on top right corner. Then from over here at the account and settings section, go ahead, tap on this option of linked banks. Then once you have done that, this is how the interface gonna look like. Now tap on this option of Link Debit Card. Then from over here you can see add a bank using a debit card option given right over here. Go ahead, add in the debit card number of yours, which has to be the Affirm card that you would like to connect. Enter your expiry date, your 3-digit CVV number, your zip code, and tap on link card at the bottom right. Once you have added all of the information correctly, you might have to preview or provide the security verification. Now as soon as you do that, you will be able to connect your Affirm card with your Cash App, and as soon as the connection is done, you will be able to use your Affirm card with your Cash App likewise. So this is all it takes. Make sure to follow the steps accordingly and do not mismatch the information. Add in the correct one and you're good to go. That's it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.